Hi there. This is a short demo or video explanation of the two parameters here in the Fluffy Audio's Jazz Drum Brushes. One is called the hi-hat open control, and the other one is called the Snare Brushing Speed. So I'll explain what these two things do. These two faders can be mapped to a controller on your fader, on your controller, for example, by right-clicking. I've already done that. This is for the mapping assignments. So we're going to look at the B flat 3 and B flat 4. B flat 3 is a snare and B flat 4 is the hi-hat. I also want to point your attention to this area here where you can enable or disable a microphone by clicking on the little thin strip here, the gray strip. So if I click, this is enabled or disabled. So I have the snares and the hi-hat here for this demonstration. Now, as far as these two controls, again, I've mapped them to my controller so I can move them without clicking. Let's begin with B flat 3, which is assigned to the snare. Now, here's something you need to know is that the mapping of the snare, you need to make sure that it is the one that has a control in the name of the articulation. So if we go to B flat 3 here, sorry, my voice is a little bad, excuse me for that. So the B flat 3 is the speed control here. If I click this, you notice that not all of them have a speed control, but if you go down, you would notice there is a speed control here. And we're using one of them in this, which is the speed control long right hand. Anyway, so let's begin with the B flat. There we go. And the B flat 3 again is the snare. And then if I was to move the brush speed, as you can see, if we go up, we're speeding up the brushing. We go down, we're slowing it down. Now let's look at the other one, which is the hi-hat. Now the hi-hat is assigned to this B flat 4. And if we go back to the mapping by clicking this on B flat 4, you'll notice that there's again that control in the name, and it says open control center, which is this one. So that would work. If you choose another one, it won't work. So there we go. And now let's use the controller for this hi-hat. There we go. You see how you can dynamically which is really nice and gives you a lot of control and dynamic of a realistic hi-hat being played. Anyways, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching. Thanks. Bye-bye.